Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe that's so easy to make, and it is called mango vegetable steamed rice. Here we're going to be adding vegetable and mango into our rice. So come along with me and let's do this together. We are cooking mango vegetable steamed rice, and this is going to be fun. So we have jasmine rice, because I want it to be sticky, chicken, spring onions, I have salt and Maggi cubes, I have minced pepper diced, dried mango, I have egg which is already boiled and sliced, I have sweet potato which is diced, I have parsnips diced, I have onions diced, carrot, leftover from Christmas, the turkey, I have beef, roast beef, and I have bay leaf. I have pure sesame oil and some olive oil. I will need to wash the rice. I'm going to use my rice cooker to cook it, and when it's almost done, I will add the diced mango, the dried one, to infuse its flavor into the rice, and I'll be adding a little bit of salt and 2 bay leaves. And while that one is cooking, I will be stir frying the vegetables. I'm going to add like 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil, allow it to get hot a little bit. Then I will add my onion. I'm going to add the chicken, a little bit of salt, 1 cube of knorr. The measurement of everything I'm using is in the description box. Please check it out. After 2 minutes, I'm adding my parsley, adding all the vegetables together, the carrot, sweet potato, the carrot, and the pepper. Add a little bit of salt, stir everything together, and just check the color. Make sure the chicken you're using is boneless. I'm using chicken breast, but you can use any part of the chicken as long as the bones are removed. Oh, this color is beautiful. I'm going to leave this to be cooking for about 4 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to check my rice. Let's check our rice. I'm going to remove the bay leaves. My mango going in. What I'll be doing now, just leave it and concentrate on the veg. Allow it to steam together. Now I'll be adding the beef and the turkey. So I will just allow this to steam for about 1 minute because everything is ready. Then we'll go back to our rice. Our rice is ready. I have to pour it into a bigger container because I would like to mix everything together. Now I stir fry. I will add the spring onions, and what I'll be doing now, add my sesame oil. I like pure sesame oil. I don't like the blended sesame oil because the flavor is more intense. Then I'll stir. Now it's time for us to assemble, and I'll be using foil. Put my egg in the middle. If you want it spicy, just chili pepper. And what I'll be doing now is press it very well. Press it down very well. I'll continue until all is done. I've already done the packing. Now I want to cover it. Wrap it up like that. And what we'll be doing after this is just steaming them up so that everything has been well infused. Ready for steaming. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you discover, and as you discover, you enjoy. We've been exploring, and you have discovered how to make mango vegetable steamed rice. So easy to make, the aroma in the house. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking on the subscribe button, and also press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. To all my subscribers, I say very big thank you. New ones are welcome.